Today is the last day of the flash sale for these mfish 4-in-1 multi-USB charging cable today. This charging cable is less than $7 right now. Better grab it quick, folks, before it sells out with its all-metal shape-shifting head. You can switch from Lightning to USB-C or USB-A to USB-C. Plus it has a 240 watts fast charge, works with pretty much every device under the sun and glows with different colors while charging. And it doubles as a data cable. It's a solid 2 meters long, made with top-notch materials. The liquid silicone body's tough as nails and won't split over time. And would you believe it, even comes with a carry case at this deal of a price? I snagged 3 right off the bat. That deal is not going to last long. You need to use my orange link down below to get yours today.